I'm gonna put my Philip forceps and the bandage scissor and the surgical scissor. Here. I'm gonna fold it and fold. Put it here in the middle. Next is this small pouch. It contains the cord clamp, umbilical cord clamp. And I'm gonna also put here my rubber socket. I'm also put it here in the middle. So for the next is I'm gonna put my apron above my scissors. I think it's my apron. I'm gonna fold it small ones, small fold. Up here. And on top of it is my hand towel and my hand soap here. And together I'm gonna put some extra plastic bags here. And then close. So I'm gonna put here in the cover of this HM bag, I'm gonna put my gauze, the 4x4 and the 2x2 gauze. I'm gonna put it here together with my 2 pair of clean gloves and 2 pair of sterile gloves. Put it here. And my clean gloves here. So for the next is I'm gonna put my plastic lining here. Bitaw na siya og gamay nga adjustment para dali lang siya igpira. And my paper lining on top. So close na to siya. Here, close. Then gonna lock it. And I'm done. So, hello ma'am, I am Nicole Cabusog from University of Cebu, Banilad College of Nursing. So, is there any water ma'am to wash my hands or sink? Okay, so first I'm gonna put my paper lining. And my plastic lining. Then I'm gonna put my bag here in the side. Open and tuck this under. And I'm gonna get my hand washing materials and my apron. Here. Then close. So I'm gonna do my hand washing first. So I'm now done washing my hands. So I'm gonna put this on the side since I'm gonna use it later. Then I'm gonna put on my apron. Then put this inside. Here. So now I'm gonna get my materials for the wound care and the urine testing. So for the wound care is I'm gonna need the normal saline solution, the betadine cleanser, skin cleanser, and the betadine paint, and the wet and dry cotton, my cotton pledgets here, and of course the micropore, because put it also here. And I think that's for the wound care. And for the urine testing is the Benedict solution and the acetic acid together with the denatured alcohol. And of course, the alcohol lamp and together with the match here. The glass together with it, this test tube and the test tube holder. And the urine sample for the urine sample. Dropper. Mm, that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna close it first. I'm done with my wound care and my urine testing. I'm gonna put all back my materials in my CHN bag. So I'm gonna start with this glass and my test tube together with a test tube holder. I'm gonna tie it behind my CHN bag here in the handle. I'm gonna tie it here. Already done. Now I'm gonna put back all my materials inside. So I'm gonna get some wet cotton for sanitation or cleaning my plastic linings. So I'm now gonna clean it. One swipe. And throw it in the waste receptacle. Pull it and then hold it Again. So now I'm done. So for this, I'm gonna crumple it. Like that. Then I'm gonna throw it in the bin. And I'm done. Thank you.